This video is for entertainment and reaction purposes only. The information in this video is all alleged. Greetings, Ascending Nation. So I'm coming to you with a reading. Let's go ahead and get started. So the channel song that I received was Sex Ain't Better Than Love. It is by Trey Songz, and I will link it below in the description box if you all would like to listen. So I did use my Romance Angels Oracle. I used my Love Oracle. I got some runes, some letters, Zodiacs, and my Truth Teller Oracle. So the two cards the Spirit gave were Express Your Love, Go Ahead and Make the Romantic Gesture, and then the second one says chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. Okay. Then from the Love Oracle, the first card that came out was Twin Flames. So this individual that I'm referring to in this reading for you all could possibly be a twin flame. And also during this reading, take what resonates, what doesn't, leave it be. Do not feel obligated to make it apply to your life. So it says yin and yang, zen, balance, union, duality, coupling, complement each other. Okay? So that goes back to the chemistry card that came out in the romance angels deck. And I feel like it definitely coincides and relates to the subject, sex ain't better than love, because it's more about the chemistry, the vibe, and the conversation and, all that good stuff. It's not always about the physical aspect. So you receive the second card you receive from the Love Oracle. It's Palm Tree. It says stability, security, growth, endurance, and flexibility. Okay. Then we have mirror. It says mirroring each other, self-image relationships reflect our wounds, introspection. Okay, so in twin flames, you all do remember. I mean, do mirror, and I guess you remember as well. So I feel like spirit remembering one another, remembering past lives together. One soul. I'm hearing as well. So yeah. Um. Next, we have the runes. So the runes that came out was Gibo or gift. This talks about divine interaction, and it says partners, love, gifts, fortune, divine union. Okay. Then the next rune you received was Munez or man, and this also says divine union, manifestation, and it says the self, modesty, thought, altruism, creative. Okay. And this just goes back to when I think of the self, I feel like that goes back to inner healing. It also goes back to like reflecting on your wounds and introspection and shadow work and all that good stuff. Okay. So next we have the letters. So the letters that came out for you all is D as in dog, E as in egg, G as in goat, and you did receive G twice. Um, you could be someone who actually like eggs. We have J as in jog. We have S as in snake. We have Z as in zoo. And then we have W as in walk. Okay? So following that, I have, I also have some Soul Journey cards as well that came out. So, sorry y'all, my throat, someone could be, messing with your throat chakra, or you could be having some things surrounding communication, or you could be receiving communication soon. So, the first card that came out for you all is gratitude. It says, I am thankful for this life and the opportunities that it presents. The second card we have is doubt, and it says, I release the need to know all the answers. Okay? Then we have the Truth Teller Oracle. So the first card we have is X slept with your mother, or slept with mother. So it doesn't necessarily have to be your mother. I, uh, I don't know. All I know, this card did come out. Okay, does not necessarily have to pertain to your twin either. Okay. So then we have she's guilty, and this is pertaining to a fire sign, Leo, Aries, Sag. Sorry, y'all. My throat chakra. Somebody don't want me to get this message out. Then we have conflict spells, and the conflict spells card did come out in the reverse. So there has been a backfire. Also, the energy I'm getting off of this card is someone is still doing conflict magic as well. Then we have ex cop involved, and it came out in the reverse. So I do feel like that is something that has been revealed. Then, or you may know. Then we have she's guilty, and this is pertaining to a air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Then we have he's guilty. This is pertaining to a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Then we have she's guilty, and this is pertaining to an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Then the next card says they drugged them and set them up. Okay? And like I always say, take what resonates, what doesn't, do not make it fit. Okay? Then we have female sleeping with female friend, and it came out in the reverse. I feel like this is something that has come to the light, that has been revealed. We have health spells. It did come out in the reverse. That has backfired. And right behind the health spells, the tuna can in this oracle deck came out as well, and that came out in the reverse. So I felt like it has something to do with the health spell. So you could have had someone, trying to just trying to do too much, basically trying to do too much, if you get what I'm saying. But that health spell, and the tuna can following, all of that just has been sent back to its rightful owners. Then we have build a bitch energy. It came out in reverse. It was a fail. Then we have manipulated a child. I feel like that this is something that has been revealed. And I do have hashtag harsh karma on this card. And then we have love spells, which came out in reverse as well. And that has backfired. Next, we have some zodiacs that may be involved in this situation, this scenario. Okay. And I do want to add to that, a lot of this magic I feel like was done in attempts to block this twin flame union, okay, or connection, to taint it, okay. So, the first zodiac that came out is Scorpio, and it says investigate. The number 8 could be of some significance. The month of August can be of some significance as well. You could also be seeing triple eights. Aries is came out next. It says act. The number 1 could be of some significance. January could be of some significance. The month of January, you could be seeing triple ones. We have Capricorn, achieve. The number 10 could be of some significance. You could be seeing 1010. The month of October could be of some significance as well. We have Taurus, and it says cultivate. The number 2 could be of some significance. You could be saying triple twos, or the month of February can be of some significance as well. So I did go into deeper detail as far as zodiacs or signs are concerned. So these are the signs that came out. I only got a few. I didn't want to do too many. So the first one says Cancer, the month of June. So a June Cancer can be involved. You could possibly be a June Cancer, or you could have Cancer somewhere in your chart, or the person you're inquiring about or maybe on your mind could be a Cancer. The month of June could be of some significance. Then we have Capricorn. The month of January could be of some significance. So this is a January Capricorn. Next we have Scorpio, November. So a November Scorpio could be of some significance here. September Virgo, okay, could be of some significance. A May Taurus could be of some significance. A Gemini, a June Gemini could be of some significance. And this one did come in reverse. A May Gemini could be of some significance. And a March Aries could be of some significance as well. So that is everything I have for you for this channel message reading. I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you did, definitely thumbs up this video. If you haven't subscribed already, definitely hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I will talk to you all in your next reading.